Kiribati. Round of applause, please, for Monodera High School.
I'm the Melody Melody. We are the Kiribati dancing group from Monroe High School, and we will be performing one of our traditional dance. There are different types of our traditional dance. There are those performed while standing, while others are performed while sitting down. Those who sing the songs can also sing while standing or sitting down, and they use clapping of hands, stomping of feet, sticks, a box, and sometimes a drum to lead the beat of the song and the dance. The dance we will perform for today is called the Aimeto. The singers will sit at the back surrounding a big box where men beat with their hands and both men and women sing along to the beat. Unfortunately today, we don't have the singers with us to sing the song and beat the box, but we will be using the music. This is a remix of our traditional dance and the new technology. Since this is a remix, the performance will also involve our other different types of traditional dance, such as takame, where you see boys moving forward and back, and the takapus, where you see girls do the yobugi, moving forward and back. We hope you enjoy our performance. Thank you. Kambrapa.